Good morning, guys. It is Easter Sunday and I'm currently here visiting my parents in Tennessee, but I'm still gonna make sure I stay on track with my workout. So we are here at the tennis courts right here. They're actually pretty nice now. This is actually where my old high school is, right here. So I'm still gonna make sure I get my workouts in today, even though it's a holiday. So I'm gonna take you guys along through that. This morning, obviously gonna be a little bit of a makeshift workout because usually I do train at the school. So we're gonna be doing some different stuff. I'm gonna be doing some jogging, a little bit of kicking here at the tennis court, and then we're gonna go back, enjoy time with my parents, and then this evening I will be back home in Atlanta and I'll be able to get my regular kick session in. So hope y'all will enjoy the video. Let's get session number 1 complete.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning? Where's my omega? Have to make it right. Oh yeah. There's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They've been piling up inside.
What happened?
I have a cramp. I still have 25 burpees and then another 3 laps and 25 more burpees. Then we'll be done.
I was trying to invade, but there were no walls to barricade. There's no need to fight, no. I was driving deep within, but there were no race I had to win. Now that I found the light, oh yeah. There's a moment when you
One more.
know that every teardrop has to
Bam.
go.
Time for lunch.
Good job.
Alright guys, we made it back to Atlanta, so it's time to get my evening session in, session number 2 of today. The plan is to warm up with a few hundred kicks on the bag, 12 freestyle rounds, and then finish off with 100 burpees. That's the game plan. I'm a little tired, gonna be honest, but that's okay. We're gonna push through, get it done, so let's go and get started.
Getting hype when I aim up, elevating that game up, stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate. Watch me elevate. I was born to win, now watch me elevate. I was born to win, now watch me elevate. Watch me elevate. Yeah. All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up. superior to that competition. I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate.
Alright guys, just finished training. I am absolutely exhausted. It is Easter. I've been in 2 different states today, but I still got both my training sessions in, which just shows if you really want to get training in, you'll make it happen. Because even if you do have a good excuse, at the end of the day, it's still an excuse. If you guys want to train and get better, you'll find a way to make it happen. But I do hope y'all enjoyed this training footage. Like I said, Sundays I've been doing 2 sessions, one in the morning, one in the evening. Obviously this morning was a little bit of a makeshift session because I wasn't in my normal training environment, but at the end of the day, I still got it done, still make it happen. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go relax. I'll see you guys in the next video.